In this JavaScript tutorial, we're going to be talking about arrays. So right here we have an array, var it starts with, and then the name of our array, and then equals, and then opening brackets, closing square brackets, and then we just list off the items or the elements in our array. Now, most programming languages have arrays start with a 0 index. So that might be a little bit different than what we might think. So Don is at index 0, Jane is at 1, and Eric is at 2. This is important when we want to get information from our array. First, let's just print out our array people and see what happens. So it shows our array just like we have written here. But what if I only wanted Don? Then what I do is I do the square brackets just like we have here when we made our array, and then we put the index. And when we state the index, this is our key and this is our value that we're getting from it. So now we get Don. If I change it to 2, it should get us Eric. And then if I change it to 3, what do you think will happen here? We get undefined because there is no 3 over here. One of the things we can do is we can change or add elements to our array. And the way we do that is similar to this notation right here. So we have the square brackets, and then we have equals because we're going to assign something. And let's say we're going to add Barb. We can add Barb to index 3, which was originally undefined because we don't have an index 3. But now we're placing Barb at index 3, and then running this, we see that Barb is now index 3. If we get rid of the brackets and just print off the entire array, it'll be a little bit more obvious. Now we have Eric and then Barb. One of the things we can also do is we can replace somebody. So I can replace Don with Deb. Now if I print out our array, Deb is now in place of Don, doesn't get shifted over, it gets overwritten. Then we still have Jane, Eric, and then Barb, who was added later.